Namaskar friends, welcome to the channel Turning Point. I hope all of you are alright. In today's video, I'm going to share with you certain journals in the field of veterinary sciences. This video is on the demand of viewers as they want to know certain journals which are Scopus indexed and there is no article processing charges. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 6 such journals which will be quite beneficial for you. So without any further delay, let's start the video. The very first journal that I would like to discuss is the Indian Journal of Animal Sciences. This journal, if I check from here, it is indexed in Scopus, Clarivate, ESCI, SJIF, DOAJ, Google Scholar, and Cross Reference. So it is having indexing in all of these databases. If I talk about the aim and scope of this journal, then it is this journal caters to a wide clientele comprising veterinarians, researchers, and students. Articles are included on animal breeding and genetics, immunology, biotechnology, diseases, medicine and pharmacology, anatomy and histology, surgery, pathology, physiology, nutrition, milk, meat, and other animal products, housing and fisheries from India and internationally. And its NAS rating is 6.2. So it is clear that it is having wide range of aims and scope. If you have paper in any of these fields, then you can consider sending your paper in this journal. This is one of the significant journals in the area of veterinary sciences. The most important thing is this journal does not charge any kind of fees for processing the articles and submission of articles. So this journal is completely free of cost along with indexing in Scopus and Clarivate. And its NAS rating is also 6.2. Once your article is published in this journal, it will be available free of cost in open access mode. Another journal that I would like to discuss is Iranian Journal of Veterinary Science and Technology. Let's check out its aims and scope. Iranian Journal of Veterinary Science and Technology is an international peer-reviewed open access journal on veterinary sciences that publishes important new advances and novel research in all aspects of veterinary medicine and its relevant subjects. The journal publishes original articles, review papers, short communication and case reports. IJVST is published quarterly online. There are no publication fees for authors. The article publishing charges will be covered by Ferdowsi University of Mashhad Press. That means you can publish your paper completely free of cost in this journal. And its visibility in Scopus, DOAJ, CABI, VESCO, Embase, Meyer, ISC, etc. Therefore, it is having indexing in a lot of databases along with rapid publication. Manuscripts are peer-reviewed and a first decision is provided to authors approximately within 2 working days after submission. The acceptance rate is almost 30%. That means if you consider this journal for sending a paper, then there is high probability of accepting your paper in this journal. And moreover, it is also indexed in Scopus. So this is one of the significant journals in the area of veterinary sciences. The third journal that I would like to tell you is Acta Scientiae Veterinary. The purpose of Acta Scientiae Veterinary is to publish scientific articles of interest to animal health investigators, veterinary practitioners, and other professionals related to veterinary medicine. This journal is available in 2 languages, English and Portuguese. This journal is also high indexing. This journal is concerned with papers dealing with all aspects of disease prevention, clinical and internal medicine, pathology, surgery, epidemiology, immunology, diagnostic and therapeutic procedures, in addition to fundamental research in physiology, biochemistry, immunochemistry, genetics, cell and molecular biology applied to veterinary field and as an interface with public health. There are no pay charges, only a submission fee. And the impact factor of this journal is 0.2. And this is an open access journal. It is indexed in ISI Web of Knowledge, CAB International, Veterinary Bulletin, EBSCO, and Index Veterinarius. So this journal is also having wide range of indexing and this is one of the significant journals in the field of Acta Sanche Veterinary. Next journal I would like to tell you is Asian Pacific Journal of Reproduction. This journal is a peer-reviewed print plus online bi-monthly journal. The journal allows free access to its content and permits authors to self-archive final accepted version of the articles on any OAI compliant institutional subject-based repository. This journal is indexed in various databases. You can check from here, and it is also indexed in Scopus and SCI, and its impact factor is 0.5 as per Clarivate Analytics. This is one of the significant journals in the field of veterinary sciences. You can consider this journal for sending your paper. By scrolling it down, you can also check the scope of this journal. The Asian Pacific Journal of Reproduction publishes original researches, commentaries, and reviews on topics in the basic, transitional, and clinical science of reproduction, including reproductive physiology and pathology, reproductive endocrinology, andrology, etc. So you can check the scope of this journal, and if it fits your criteria, then you can consider this journal for sending your paper. Now the next journal, the fifth one I would like to tell you is Veterinary Evidence. Veterinary Evidence is an online open access peer-reviewed journal owned and published by RCVS Knowledge. It publishes content relating to evidence-based veterinary medicine and its application in veterinary practice to enhance the quality of care provided to patients. No matter where you are in the world, you have unrestricted access to the evidence published in Veterinary Evidence. If I check about the aim and scope of this journal, then you can check here. It is a platform for a wide range of veterinary topics from economics to quality improvement, clinical practice, and teaching, anything that may help a clinician in practice. Papers considered are knowledge summaries, research articles, etc. You can go through this list. And if I talk about the publishing charges, then it is free to publish in and read veterinary evidence. There are no submission fees or article processing charges. So this is one of the significant journals in veterinary sciences, that is Veterinary Evidence. The sixth journal I would like to tell you is Journal of Veterinary and Animal Sciences. This journal is indexed in all of these databases. And if I talk about the journal, the Kerala Journal of Veterinary Science by the Director of Animal Husbandry, Kerala, as official publication of Kerala Veterinary Research Council. The journal was renamed in 1990 as a Journal of Veterinary and Animal Sciences. This journal is published by Kerala Agricultural University, and this is also one of the significant journal, and it publishes articles quarterly. These are the print and online ISSN numbers of this journal. This journal is also free of cost to publish your papers. So these were 6 significant journals in the area of veterinary sciences. If you want to know more about journals of your stream, then you can send me a comment. And if you need any publication help or support, then you can send me an email. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.